Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from NiteFox. Now this here is their MC20, comes in this box. Now this is an updated and upgraded model. This is also featuring the new LED for this particular model, which is the SST40 from Luminous. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to review it, so here it is. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. And it comes with a user manual, of course. Now I had done a review for them about 4 years ago, and so it's nice to see them contact me again. As you can see here, we're going to go ahead and open it up here as you see the specs here a little bit better. As you can see, it puts out 2000 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to move on. Now this here is a thank you card. Also gives you their email address should you have any issues. And you get one USB charging cable. Now this is a magnetic type. And you get one lanyard. And you get 2 O-rings and 1 extra power switch cover. Now let's go ahead and get the light out of here. Well packaged. Alright. There it is. Now right offhand you can see the different colors. Now my understanding is they actually heat these up to get those different colors, but definitely does look nice on this light. Knurling is more for looks, it's not rough. Got the clip here, you can remove it if you don't want it on there. The magnetic charging port. Now I've seen this type on a lot of lights, so it must be a pretty reliable design. Now having the magnetic is definitely more of a convenient thing, but it actually is a nicer option if you're going to be using your light in a wet environment. You don't have that charging port cover, it's just sealed here, so nothing's going to get in to the light as easily, so that's a benefit there. Side switch does stick out past the body. Again, the bezel looks great. Tail switch there. Nice size. Definitely great for everyday carry, or you can tactically use it as well. Now you got some areas here that are flat on the sides, that's going to help it from rolling. Now if you do have the clip on there, of course that's going to help, but if you don't use the clip, it's not going to roll off on you. Now the style and design on this is nice. Does have a little bit of heat sinking here, not much. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the luminous SST40 LED. Try to get a good picture of this. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up. Now this is a complete kit, comes with a battery. And for the price that you'll pay on this, that's actually very nice. Tail spring there. Now you do have some grease on the threads. Now the battery here that it comes with is a 18650. This is a 2600 milliamp. This is a 10 amp cell. This is protected. So it should give you some good run times. Now if you're wanting better run times, of course you can use it at the medium, which is 1000 lumens or less. If not, you can use a higher milliamp cell, which will increase your run times as well. Put that all back together. Now let's go through the UI. Activating the light, of course, tail switch, and then from there you can see there is a battery level indicator here. Turn it off, turn it back on so you can see it. Now when that turns red and begins to blink, you are critically low on that battery. Very nice tight beam because of the size of the head, of course. At the lowest light output. (2000 lumens), a lot of light, and then of course we're back down. Now if you do want to get strobe, it is hidden. Press and hold down that side switch, and that is a constant rate on the flash, and it is distracting. Click it one time, you're back down to the last light output. This does have memory mode, so if you do want to memorize a certain level, you've got it, including turbo. Now you can use it as a tactical pressure switch action there. Full press turns that on, and the switch feels really nice and tight. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the beam. A little bit brighter on the beam. See here, nice centralized hotspot. A little bit of bleeding around the edge there going to the spill area. That's going to smooth out the hotspot to that spill. Not a super sharp cutoff, but there is one here, as you can see. Four levels of light output, which is very nice, and the performance beam looks very nice. So you're really not going to find, especially this size and dimension with 2000 lumens, this is pretty impressive. USB magnetic charging cable. It feels rugged too. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the NiteFox MC20. Probably one of the better budget lights I've seen in a while. Definitely a competitor out there. Let's go ahead and get started, see how it does. That's the lowest setting. We do have battery power, that's good. Close and personal. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Water spout, 35 feet from where I'm standing. 65 feet to this tree here. There it is on the fence, give you an idea on how the beam looks. Kind of pan around here a little bit. And it is faintly making that tree of life. And I can see it on the camera here, so that is very impressive. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Now, I had done a review on a NiteFox years and years ago, and they make very nice products. Hadn't heard from them in a while, and it was nice to get an email. 138 feet here to the Tree of Life. And it is now making it across the park to those playgrounds. So that's impressive. Fence line, tree line. Let's go to the next level, see how it does. Beam performance on this is very nice. Easily making those playgrounds there now. Making those trees way out there. Now it's making that tree there 238 feet to that tree. Again, famous Tree of Life, 138 feet. Now I do have a link in all my videos. If you have any doubts, you can check out a video I did showing my distances here in my testing area. Welcome back, hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing is impressive. Beam performance is very nice. It does have a nice tight beam, and it does have some pretty good throw, which is typical for this Luminous SST40. They do have a nice throwing range. Combination beam performance, another one of my favorites. That second one would be flood, and then dedicated throwers, and then lasers. I'm just not liking them too much at all. But this here does have a nice look and feel to it. Solid. Feels like it's going to be good for everyday carry. Pocket carry this, of course, with the clip. If you find a holster, you can easily put it in there as well. UI is real straightforward. Another plus. The magnetic charging is a nice feature. I really am impressed. This is definitely budget friendly, and it's a good quality light for what you're going to pay for it. Well, I want to thank NiteFox for sending me this MC20 to review. Now, this is already very budget friendly, but I am working on a special discount code that'll help you save some more. I'll leave that as well as the link down in the description below the video to their Amazon store, just in case you're interested in getting this. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these NiteFox flashlights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.